I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Click Create Integration. Search and select WPForms for the trigger. Select a form, then click Next. Search and select an action Dokan. Connect to the Dokan. Dokan connected successfully. Next. Choose a task. I am choosing to create a new vendor. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in actions and conditional logic. You can use them for your requirements. Next. Finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Submit the form. Now go to the Dokan dashboard. Then navigate to the vendor. You can see that the new vendor has been successfully added in Dokan. Thanks for watching.